एवरीबॉडी, मैं हूँ आप सबकी अंतरानंदी। अभी पिछले कुछ महीनों से आपने अगर मुझे फॉलो किया है मेरे सोशल मीडिया पे, you'll know that I'm in love with long hair and I've been trying to grow my hair long. अभी पहले से लंबे तो हुए हैं, बट मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये थोड़े और लंबे हो जाए। But if you go back say a year, you'll see I used to go for very frequent haircuts. Why? Because मुझे लगता था that's the only way to keep my hair healthy, to make it look healthy. I have to go for shoots, outdoor shoots होते हैं, which is why my hair is exposed to a lot of heat, pollution. मुझे hair set करना पड़ता है, that's again a lot of heat, hair sprays and hair gels. ये ना end of the day बालों को बहुत बेजान और damaged बना देते हैं, split ends, बाल brittle हो जाते हैं. End of the day, I used to always feel like the only viable option to make my hair look nice is to trim them, chop them off. But recently, one of my friends introduced me to a fantastic product.
The L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens Restoring Shampoo, Detangling Conditioner and No Haircut Cream.
The L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens No Haircut Cream is, I think it's the first leave-in conditioner that does more than just adding gloss and shine to your hair. It actually regenerates the ends, seals the split ends and helps your hair grow longer, which in turn is a reason why you will not have to trim your hair. I'm going to quickly take you through how I use the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens No Haircut Cream. I've just washed my hair with the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens Restoring Shampoo, and after that I used the L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens Detangling Conditioner. Using this range I think assures better results. I'm first going to take walnut sized amount of the product on my palms. Now I'm going to apply the no haircut cream on my hair. याद रखें, it's a leave-in conditioner, तो आपको रूट्स पे नहीं अप्लाई करना है.
आपको इसे अपने बालों के मिड लेंथ से एंड्स तक अप्लाई करना है.
Now I'm doing this side. I think I'm done with the first side.
Fact: the no haircut cream is paraben and sulfate free, which is why it can be used as a heat protectant to up to 180 degrees. Now, since I'm shooting most of the time and I'm styling my hair very often, this is a great product for me because it'll sort of, protect my hair from getting damaged by the heat that it's exposed to due to excessive styling. I'm going to quickly speak about the 3-star ingredients of the no haircut cream. First, there's vegetal keratin that helps protect your hair from harsh treatments and seals damaged tips. Then there's castor oil. Castor oil nourishes your hair and helps it grow longer. And then there's essential vitamins. These strengthen your hair and restore your hair internally from any breakage. Can we please talk about how amazing the packaging of the entire L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens range looks? I'm a fan of vibrant colors and I love how the pink and the orange pop in this. I love how the bottles look and feel, and I love how the products work on my hair.
It's really cool that there are actually products like the no haircut cream that help you grow your hair longer. अभी आपको every now and then salon जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You don't have to get regular trims. You can actually work on growing your hair longer. And I'm sure मेरे तरह ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं who will relate with this, who are trying to grow your hair. मेरे बाल जैसे अभी लंबे हो चुके हैं and maintaining long hair is a very big झंझट. So ऐसे में the entire L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens range and the no haircut cream are big help. Please try it out. I'm going to wait for my hair to dry so that I can show you how nice my hair is going to look right after. The L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens No Haircut Cream is priced at Rs $4.99 for 200 ml. The purchase links for the Dream Length range and the No Haircut Cream is in the description section. The L'Oreal Paris Dream Lens range and the No Haircut Cream are game changers for haircuts for women.
I found these products very useful for my hair. Now it's your turn to try these out और मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा whether or not these were useful for you and your hair.